QM-MM coupling. To couple the QM and MM regions, various approaches are used. One common method is the link atom approach, where a frictious atom called the link atom is introduced to connect the QM and MM regions. The forces acting on the link atom are calculated from both the QM and MM regions. Calculations of total energy and forces in QM-MM summation. The total energy of the system is obtained by summing the QM energy and the MM energy. E total is equal to EQM plus EMM. Force acting on the atoms in the QM and MM regions are calculated by taking derivatives of the QM and MM energy function with respect to the atomic positions. Quantum mechanical models for spectroscopy. Spectroscopy for quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics plays a crucial role in interpreting spectroscopic data, providing a theoretical framework for understanding the interactions between matter and electromagnetic radiation. Introduction to spectroscopy. Spectroscopy is the study of interaction between matter and electromagnetic radiations as a function of wavelength of frequency. Spectroscopic techniques such as NMR, IR, Raman, and UV-based spectroscopy provide valuable information about the structure and electronic properties of molecules. Quantum mechanical models for spectroscopy. These include the following: nuclear magnetic resonance, infrared spectroscopy, Raman spectroscopy, ultraviolet phase, UV phase spectroscopy. Nuclear magnetic resonance. NMR spectroscopy uses quantum mechanics to describe the behavior of atomic nuclei with spin. Quantum mechanical operators calculate the transition between nuclear spin states influenced by an external magnetic field. NMR spectroscopy provides insight into molecular structure and chemical environment by measuring the frequency of this transition. Here, the NMR spectroscopy is shown in the figure. Infrared spectroscopy, also known as IR spectroscopy. In IR spectroscopy, quantum mechanics calculates the vibrational frequency and intensities of molecular vibrational modes. Vibrational motion in molecule is quantized, and each vibrational mode corresponds to a specific energy level. By measuring the absorption of infrared light, IR spectroscopy provides information about the molecular structure and chemical bonds in a sample. IR spectroscopy is shown in the figure. Raman spectroscopy. Raman spectroscopy utilizes the scattering of light to analyze samples. By measuring the scattered light, it provides insight into the sample's vibrational mode. These vibrational modes contain information about the sample chemical composition. Thus, Raman spectroscopy enables chemical identification and analysis. Ultraviolet visible UV spectroscopy. UV spectroscopy, also known as ultraviolet visible spectroscopy, is a type of absorption spectroscopy that measures the amount of UV or visible light absorbed by a sample as a function of wavelength. UV spectroscopy is often used to study the electronic structure of molecules and bonding within them. UV spectroscopy is shown in the figure where the light source is present and then the lens, and then the light is being grated through the grater, and the line is divided. And with the help of double beam spectrophotometer, the UV spectroscopy is done. Applications of quantum mechanics in spectroscopy. Structural elucidation. Quantum mechanical models are used to assign spectral features to specific molecular vibration or electronic transition. These assignments provide information about molecular structure, conformation, and orientation. Chemical analysis. Quantum mechanical models are used to analyze the spectral data and to extract quantitative information about the molecular properties such as the bond length, angle, and strength. Reaction mechanism. Spectroscopic data obtained before and after the reaction can be used to infer the intermediate species and the reaction pathways. Quantum mechanical models can provide insights into the electronic and structural changes that occur during the reaction. Quantum mechanics in material science. Quantum mechanics in material science. Quantum mechanics plays a vital role in material science, providing a fundamental understanding of the property and behavior of the various materials. Here is a more detailed discussion of the use of quantum mechanics in the material science, including its application in biomaterials, drug delivery system, and nanotechnology. Understanding electronic structure, design, and development of biomaterials, drug delivery system, nanotechnology, and nanomaterials. Quantum dots and quantum wires, computational material discovery, material characterization techniques. Understanding electronic structure. Quantum mechanics enables the calculation and prediction of the electronic structure of material, which is crucial for understanding their properties and behavior. Electronic structure calculations such as density functional theory provide insights into energy level, band structure, and electronic properties like conductivity and optical absorption. These calculations help determine the electronic behavior of materials and guide their design and optimization. Design and development of biomaterials. Biomaterials are materials used in medical applications such as in plants, tissues, engineering, scaffolds, and drug delivery system. Quantum mechanics aids in the design and the development of biomaterials by predicting and optimizing their structural, mechanical, and chemical properties. It helps understand the interaction between biomaterials and biological systems such as proteins, enzymes, and cells existing, tailoring biomaterials for specific applications. Drug delivery system. Quantum mechanics is employed in the study of drug delivery system, which involve the controlled release of therapeutic agents. It helps understand drug polymer interaction, drug encapsulation, and drug release mechanisms. Quantum mechanical calculation can elucidate the molecular level interaction between drugs and carrier materials, providing insights into drug stability, release kinetics, and targeting efficiency. Nanotechnology and nanomaterial. Nanotechnology involves the design, synthesis, and characterization of materials at the nanoscale. Quantum mechanics is fundamental to understanding and predicting the properties of nanomaterials. It allows for the modeling and simulation of nanoscale phenomena such as quantum confinement, effect electron transport, and the optical properties which are critical in nano devices, nanosensors, and nanoelectronics. Quantum mechanics also help optimize the synthesis and functionalization of nanomaterials for specific applications. Quantum dots and quantum wires. Quantum dots and quantum wires are nanoscale structures with the unique quantum mechanical properties. These structures exhibit size-dependent electronic and optical properties due to the quantum confinement effects. Quantum mechanics provides a theoretical framework to understand and predict these properties. By manipulating the size, shape, and composition of quantum dots and wires, their properties can be tailored for application in optoelectronics, imaging, and sensing. Computational material discovery. Quantum mechanics plays a vital role in computational material discovery, where theoretical calculations are used to predict new materials with desired properties. By combining a quantum mechanical calculation with high throughput screening techniques, researchers can identify novel materials with specific functionalities. This approach has been successful in discovering new materials for energy storage, catalysis, and electronic devices. Material characterization techniques. Quantum mechanics is employed in the interpretation of various spectroscopic and imaging techniques used for material characterization. It aids in understanding and underlying quantum mechanic process involved in techniques such as X-ray spectroscopy, electron microscopy, and surface science techniques. This understanding helps extract valuable information about the structure, composition, and electronic properties of material. Here, the electron microscope is shown. Future directions. Future direction, the field of quantum chemistry continues to advance rapidly, opening up new possibilities and application in the biomedical field. Here is a review of latest research and developments in quantum chemistry as well as potential areas for future research. Quantum machine learning, quantum-inspired algorithms, quantum dynamic simulation, quantum-based drug screening, quantum sensors and imaging, quantum-assisted protein structure determination, quantum-based materials for biomedicine, quantum computing. Quantum machine learning. One of the emerging areas in quantum chemistry is the integration of quantum mechanics with machine learning techniques. Quantum machine learning combines the power of quantum computing with the ability to extract patterns and insight from the large data sets. This approach holds a promise for accelerating the drug discovery process, predicting the molecular properties more accurately, and optimizing the design of biomaterials. Quantum-inspired algorithm. Researchers are exploring quantum-inspired algorithms that can be implemented on the classical computer to tackle complex problems in drug discovery and biomolecular simulations. These algorithms incorporate certain aspects of quantum mechanics, such as superposition and entanglement, to enhance computational efficiency and accuracy. They have the potential to significantly speed up calculation and enable the study of larger and more complex systems. Quantum dynamic simulation. Advances in quantum dynamic simulation enable the investigation of complex chemical reaction and processes in biomolecules. These simulations go beyond static structures and provide insights into the time-dependent behavior of molecules such as enzymatic reaction, protein folding, and drug binding kinetics. Quantum dynamic simulations offer a more comprehensive understanding of biomolecular dynamics and can aid in the design of drugs with improved efficacy and selectivity. Quantum-based drug screening. Quantum chemistry methods are being applied in visual screening and drug design to identify potential drug candidates. Quantum-based docking approaches can account for the accurate representation of intermolecular interaction and binding affinities, leading to more reliable predictions of drug target interactions. This approach has the potential to streamline the drug discovery process and increase the success rate of identifying lead compounds. Quantum sensor and imaging. Quantum-based sensor and imaging techniques have the potential to revolutionize the biomedical imaging and diagnostics. Quantum sensors can provide highly sensitive detection of biomarkers and molecular interactions, enabling early disease detection and personalized medicine. Quantum imaging techniques such as quantum enhanced magnetic resonance, MRI, and quantum dots for cellular imaging can offer improved resolution and transfer detailed structure and functional imaging. Quantum assisted protein structure determination. Determination protein structures experimentally is a challenging and time-consuming process. Quantum chemistry methods combined with experimental data can assist in protein structure determination by providing accurate energy landscapes, conformational sampling, and validation of experimental results. Quantum assisted approaches have the potential to accelerate the process of protein structure and determination, which is crucial for understanding protein functions and designing targeted therapies. Quantum-based materials for biomedicine. Quantum chemistry methods are being used to design and optimize materials for various biomedical applications. These include developing quantum dots and nanoscale materials with tailored optical properties for imaging and sensing, as well as quantum-inspired materials for drug delivery, tissue engineering, and regenerative medicine. Quantum-based materials offer unique functionalities and improve performance in biomedical applications. Quantum computing. Quantum computing itself holds immense potential for advancing computational chemistry and solving complex quantum chemical problems. As quantum computers become more powerful and accessible, they may enable the calculations that are currently intractable on classical computer. Quantum algorithms specifically designed for quantum chemistry tasks have the potential to revolutionize computational approaches, leading to breakthroughs in drug discovery, molecular modeling, and material design. Hope this study material was helpful for you. That was all from my side. Thank you.